Una gats let me know whether no be the same food wey we dey always dey prepare all the time, abi celebration food always dey different. Like preparing celebration food, e now look as if no be the same food wey these people dey always dey prepare. I don get it, because this my Christmas jollof rice wey I dey prepare, e now look as if I be don dey prepare. Hey God, na normal jollof rice o, but the time wey this food start and the time wey this food finish, hey, my sister, my brother, hey, guys, so I had to go in with my oil, my onions as well. So I won't bring down my tomato paste, but Oga has to help me because they get different between heights now. So guys, this is the tomato paste is down already. So I'm opening it. So as I was saying, but no, seriously, preparing celebration food or cooking celebration food and normal food, I want should be now the same thing now, because now normal the same jollof rice, the same process. But why be say this Christmas own, you go be as if say you never maybe that whether e dey different, because you go start that food from morning, but you go expect say make you finish am that same time wey they always dey finish jollof rice, your normal jollof rice dey cook, you go expect say make you finish am that time. Like I no, because I just remember something now. Like when I was growing up, if my mom is preparing the Christmas food or Christmas food, girl, she's gonna wake up around 5, but she will continue making this food. Hey, and I don't forget, even Christmas, they know the breakfast no dey for inside Christmas food. Though. Now that one, that Christmas rice, that everybody go dey wait for. Mommy finish cooking. That shey this food no dey done. The food, shey wetin hold this food? I wan know wetin hold the food. Go go go. Person go start dey cook. Okay, she don prepare finish around 6 now. Food don start, don dey fire abi. Person go cook oh. Visitors go dey come, go dey at least go dey give. You go dey give visitors. If meat don done, you go dey give them meat. But that particular food, that rice wey you go see the 2 3 sef. You go dey pity the food. Abeg bring down this food. Shey this food never wan done. I wan know. No, like seriously, na gats tell me no. Why celebration food or Christmas food dey always dey take to done? Because wetin be this na? My kids was like, hey mommy, they were I had to just find some snacks and give them. I was like, hey, God. Let's see my baby. I had to just find snacks and give them, because I myself, I can't dey wonder. Shebi na this normal jollof rice wey person dey prepare all the time. Eh? Okay, my lovely. So enjoy the rest of the video.